Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have brought for you all a famous East Indian recipe, that is the fugyas, which is also known as the balloon bread. It is usually made for weddings and festive occasions. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the recipe. Now for the preparation of the fugyas, let us first take a look at the ingredients what are required. This is 500 grams of all-purpose flour, that is maida, half cup of whole wheat flour which is sieved, 200 ml of milk, 1 cup of warm water, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoon of yeast, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 egg and half cup of sugar. Now the first step is to activate the yeast. So for that I have taken 1 cup of warm water and into that I'll be adding a teaspoon of sugar. Now we have to dissolve the sugar nicely into this warm water. The water should not be hot, it should just be warm where you can put your finger into it. Now the sugar has got dissolved into this water. So now I'll be adding this yeast into this water and we have to just stir it a little bit. And now we'll cover this and we'll leave it for 10 to 15 minutes for activation. So now here after 10 minutes the yeast is activated very well. So now we'll proceed to the next step of preparing the dough for the fugyas. So now for preparing the dough for the fugyas, I have taken a vessel and into that I'll be adding the beaten egg, and the activated yeast, just give this a mix. Now I'll be adding the milk, now into that I'll be adding the all-purpose flour, and the whole wheat flour also. And we'll mix it well. Now we'll add the sugar. And some salt also. And now you all can see the dough has become nice and thick. So we'll add some more milk now to it. We'll add little at a time. We need a thick but a smooth dough. As you can see now, the dough is nice and sticky. We need like that kind of sticky dough, but we have to just beat it a little more. So now here the dough is ready. So now we'll cover it and keep it for 1 hour. So now here the dough has risen up quite well. So now we will just mix it up. And now we'll proceed to make the fugiyas. So for that, now first I have taken a bowl of water, also a spoon, and I have taken a plate which I have lined it with kitchen towels so that we can put the fugiyas on it and it can take off the excess of oil. Also, I have kept oil for heating. Now the oil is nice and hot. So now we'll start preparing the fugiyas. So now you have to grab the flour with your hand and press it, and it forms a small balloon. So that balloon we have to dip the spoon in water and scoop it and drop it into the hot oil. So here you have to go on turning now these fugiyas till they get a nice golden brown color on top. Don't make them very brown in color. So which are ready, we can just take them off. Here. So here the authentic East Indian phugyas are ready. They can be served with any gravy, chicken gravy, mutton gravy or any other gravy of your choice, or they can be had as a tea time snack. I will break one and show you all how lovely and soft they have turned out. So guys, do give this recipe a try this Christmas and enjoy it with your family and friends. Also do subscribe to this channel of mine and also press the bell notification so that you all could get notified each time I post a new video. Also don't forget to like this recipe and share it with your family, friends, relatives and more friends. I will see you all with another interesting recipe in my next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye bye.